Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing a HDMI to USB-C adapter. Now, this is a very special gadget. It's got some very specialized applications for gaming and these VR cameras. In my case, I ordered this for a little different application. I want to be able to use my DVR as a dual monitor on my TV. I'm still waiting for a cable that I need. It's a special cable, and it hasn't arrived. So for this purpose, I'm going to be testing it with my TV just to make sure, just to test that this little gadget has the capacity to transfer my video. I'm going to be connecting on my HDMI in, my DVR, the power source for my outlets, and on the output, I'm going to be connecting it to my TV. It's a 50-inch TV, so if this little thing has the capacity of outputting to my 4K 50-inch TV at a good quality, this is going to be a blast for gaming and other things that it is really designed for. So guys, let me connect this and I'll show you in a minute how that looks. I wanted to show you also that it comes with the included USB-A to USB-C adapter. This is a USB-A 2.0. I would call this a bonus because for the price of this gadget, having all these cables included and finding a short, small, good quality cable. This is a 4K cable. Let me see. I think it says it right here. No, the camera is not focusing on it, or at least I can't see it with the reflect. But that's the information on the cable there, guys. So it does come with the HDMI to HDMI cable. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my TV and see if it does the pass-through of the DVR to my TV at a good quality. If it does work, guys, you could just imagine how it's going to work with your gaming devices. Let's go to the drawing table. Okay, so here's a little adapter. I'm going to connect my DVR HDMI output into the input of this little device here. There you go. I'm going to connect my power supply on here. And then over here I'm going to connect the connection to my TV and see how that works. Alright, so there my TV is waiting for the input. I'm going to connect the little gadget here to the HDMI of the TV. The reason I'm doing it this way is because I haven't got that cable I said I'm waiting for. There you go. Recognize the DVR right away. It's actually doing a handshaking now with a little box. There you go, guys. Beautiful image. Whoa, that's a very nice image there. You can even read all the letters and stuff. Very nice, guys. So if this is capable of transferring a heavy HDMI signal coming from the DVR over to my TV, it's going to have to work beautiful with the gaming stuff. Let's see how switching to other. Yep, works beautiful, guys. No flickering, no nothing, just straight into the image. Okay, guys, I do want to mention that I left it on for a little more just to see. I mean, I checked other images and played around with the DVR to give this a little time to see if it would warm up or, you know, create any kind of temperatures. There wasn't. I also looked, unfortunately I didn't do it on the video, but there is no LEDs. There is nothing here that will show you that the device is connected and working properly. So it would have been nice if it would have had some sort of little LED telling you, hey, I got power, I got input or whatever. But it did work. It did its job, at least for what I intended it to use. If you are looking for a small little gadget to give second life to old HDMIs with modern games and stuff, read all the instructions, read all the specifications, make sure that it does qualify with what you're looking for. Again, remember, it does come included with the HDMI to HDMI and USB-C 2.0, USB-C to USB-A 2.0. Thanks for watching, guys.